as you guys have probably figured out by my YouTube channel, I like just going out and cruising a lot for a cafe racer. Welcome back, world. We are cruise controlling right now. I gotta turn it off because I'm slowly catching this guy, but it's nice. Here we go. Ooh. Bad timing. Ooh, Day Pond State Park. So well, that was me shutting it off again, making sure it was off. It's pretty simple. A nice firm press. No, I shouldn't have done it here. I probably like I don't know where I am right now, so like I should be paying attention to the roads, but when I'm actually, oh, here, okay, so I'm gonna give it a nice firm press. I've noticed it, and I don't think it's because I installed it wrong, it'll slowly drop RPMs or it'll gain RPMs. The nice thing is you can adjust it, like so it's locked in. It's just like the rubber thing pressing up against this guy here. You can, and I shouldn't do it, you know what, let's get over this corner before I roll more throttle on. So it'll just kind of like go down a bit. It stays locked, you know. So you can make minor tweaks. That's why it's not really that big of a deal when you do notice that it's dropping. And I don't know if that's because I don't think I installed it wrong. I don't think I set it up wrong. I don't know if it's because you actually didn't press this thing. Like, it's a firm press. The bottom one to turn it off, obviously it's like you're clicking it free, and then it'll just snap back to not pressing up against the thing. But it's obviously like a really simple design, effective, maybe a bit pricey, but when you think about like what, you know, how this is going to save you, or not save you, help you, you know, it's and it's pretty low-key, I think, you know. So like I could just within reason turn it myself, give it a little lean, you know, it'll help my shoulders a lot, that's for sure. That's probably like, I love, you know, as you guys have probably figured out by my YouTube channel, I like just going out and cruising a lot for a cafe racer. So, ooh, what is all over the road here? Or is that just shadows? Or is it just burnt rubber? Oh, they just repaved this whole road. That's freshly paved. Okay. That looked like, dude, that looked like it could have been like wet gravel or something, just piled up. So, I know I often say that I don't know where I am, and then like 18 seconds later, I'm like, oh wait, I know where I am. I don't want to say I'm trying to get lost today, but I'm truly trying to get lost today. I don't know where I am. It's very, very nice. I like took a weird different, I went over the bridge again that I did in the last episode, and I just took a different state road, and at one point or 2 points I actually think I crossed another state road that I at least like recognized, or I went over an intersection that I knew. But like, so I've been, you know, cutting into those empty spaces that I've been, you know, if you go around like in a square or something like that, we're creating new paths in between the square or the rectangle or the circle. But I think I've ventured out of a square, if that makes sense. That looks like a running path or something. I can't believe the speed limit's only 35. That seems crazy. So we turn it on again and we're chilling. And obviously, like, you could still be using it. You don't have to not have your hand on the bar. I mean, I got it with the intent of, like, honestly, I'd rather use it in like little bursts like this than, I mean, I'll test it on the highway maybe at some point. I gotta figure out where I'm going. And maybe I'll try and like take the highway home or something like that. And I'll give it another test. Okay, so I know Route 2 west towards Hartford. That's not really a highway. Actually, it's kind of a nice highway. Ooh, what if I do that? What if I do that? Let's take a right down here. I really gotta take a piss too. I gotta find Every bump, man, if you know what I mean. Oh, that was a walking path. Oh, dude, that's sweet. Too bad I don't know where I am, and I'm so far. I think I'm out there. I'd be out there. Oh, I mean, I could theoretically probably piss anywhere, huh? Maybe not anywhere. This is all someone's property. I have a feeling there's no cops out here. I think I saw a sign for Northwest Chester, which I have truly never heard of in my state. And I've lived here my whole life. But this might be some of that farmland and stuff. Get a nice little stretch. I've been moving. Suppose I can keep throttle locking. Obviously, the other thing, it not being a real cruise control or built-in or mapped or whatever, like, it doesn't know when you're going up a hill, so you probably will watch the RPMs drop a little bit like that, and it won't keep up. It's a throttle lock. It's not cruise control. Yes, it may kind of directly compare, but I have my hand over the X if I need to. So now I'm going down a hill. It's going up in RPMs. I'm just experimenting here, but it's nice to be able to like swap, or you know, that's really nice. Like, that's awesome, because I always do that or whatever. You get a quick little like lean back stretch, or and that's good to do, but the engine braking on a motorcycle is so much different from a car, you know. So I dig it. I think I'm a fan, and I love how like low-key it is. You could get an underbar or overbar, like all the doohickey machinery stuff. How's that for property, dude? Damn. Oh wow, it's a freaking like BMX track and everything. Yo, that's incredible. That's incredible. I love that for them. Too bad I don't know where I am. Too bad I don't have a dirt bike. No, I've thought about selling that, selling my old Honda. Finally, I should. Where the heck? That looks like I'm getting on a highway if I go there. I'm definitely getting on a highway. And oh, it's Route 2 West. Okay. Hey, that's my old car in ugly ass yellow. That looked like a cop. Alright, I do think I want to do Route 2 West, not East. This guy, really? I guess he's a big truck, so I understand it. He didn't want to stop. We're not mad about it. I get it, man. I get it. Just understand I'm going to pass you the first opportunity I get. You know what I mean, sir? We be looking. Cinemas, gallery cinemas. Oh, I guess I'm back in Colchester. Huh. Alright. Well, not sure, I don't know. I guess I could just pull into an Ace Hardware and see if they got a bathroom or something, but, or like the Dollar General. Or anywhere. But yeah, you know, I think we'll call that one. I think I dig this thing. We'll keep messing with it and enjoying it. I don't see any, like, I got it, you can get it on Amazon. That's what's nice, is you can just return it very easily, I think, if you don't like the product. So that's all well and good. And yeah, thanks for watching.